to Word73298 coming at you. I really need your guys' help this time. Been away for a long time, and now just like really getting back into collecting. Starting with Mariano Rivera PC. Trying to create the 2012 Topps Chrome Rainbow and 2011 Topps Chrome Rainbow. Plus trying to pick up a few of his 2012 Topps Triple Good game used jerseys. So really need that. I have a lot of things I have a lot of Yankees things that I could trade for. I have cash on hand, none in my PayPal, trying to get them soon, and really just trying to build up my PC of him. If all you guys give me as much help as possible, I would really like that. And peace.